Do you want to get rid of those toxic cleaners in your home or office? Are you interested in starting a cleaning business or even maintaining a cleaning business? I'd love to help. I own Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, the Poconos' first and only award-winning green certified cleaning business here in the Pocono Mountains. I've been featured in Misi Magazine, Women's Day Magazine, the Pocono Record. I have several certifications from the World Health Organization and other organizations about cleaning through COVID and infectious diseases and how to properly disinfect and sanitize. I also admin several Facebook groups, Green Clean Group, Cleaning Business Tips, Outdoor Tips, Health and Wellness groups. So I would love to help you on your journey on eco cleaning or how to have a cleaning business. So if you want any more information or would love to have a one-on-one consultation, drop down a message and we'll get Crunchified Clean.